Hello everyone, welcome to Technia TV. Hi, Mansi Chopra, faculty of BA department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies is going to deliver a lecture on grassroots activism. A grassroots movement is one which uses the people in a given district, region or community as the basis for a political or economic movement. Grassroots movements and organizations use collective actions from the local level to the effective change at the local, regional, national or international level. Grassroots movements are associated with bottom-up rather than top-down decision making and are sometimes considered more natural or spontaneous than more traditional power structures. Grassroots movements using self-organization encourage community members to contribute by taking responsibility and action for their community. Grassroots movements utilize a variety of strategies from fundraising and registering voters to simply encouraging political conversations. Goal of specific movements vary, but the movements are consistent in their focus on increasing mass participation in politics. These political movements may begin as small and at the local level, but grassroots politics, as Cornel West contends, are necessary in shaping progressive politics as they bring public attention to regional political concerns. The idea of grassroots is often conflated with participatory democracy. The Port Huron Statement, a manifesto seeking a more democratic society, says that to create a more equitable society, the grassroots of American society needs to be the basis of civil rights and economic reform movements. The term can be distinguished in that grassroots often refers to a specific movement or organization, whereas participatory democracy refers to the larger system of governance. Grassroots activism is a method of campaigning for a cause that the activist feels strongly about. Grassroots activists are often at the complete opposite end of the political spectrum from those in power, but these campaigns are often surprisingly effective when it comes to making change. Strategies of grassroots movements. Grassroots movements use tactics that build power from local and community movements. Grassroots Campaigns, a non-profit organization dedicated to creating and supporting grassroots movement in America, says that grassroots movements aim to raise money, build organizations, raise awareness, build name, recognition to win campaigns, and to deepen political participation. Grassroots movements work towards these and other goals via strategic focusing on local participation in either local or national politics. Here is a list of strategies considered to be grassroots because of their focus on engaging the populace. First, hosting house meetings or parties. Second, having larger meetings. Third, putting up posters. Fourth, taking with pedestrians on the streets or walking door to door, often involving information clipboards. Fifth, gathering signatures for petitions. Sixth, mobilizing letter writing, phone calling and emailing campaigns. Seventh, setting up information tables. Eighth, raising money from many small donors for political advertising or campaigns. Eighth, organizing large demonstrations. Ninth, asking individuals to submit opinions to media outlets and government officials. 10th, holding get out the vote activities, which include the practice of reminding people to vote and transporting them to polling places. Use of online social networks. Social media's prominence in political and social activism has skyrocketed in the last decade. Influencers on apps like Vine, Instagram, and Twitter have all become hotspots for growing grassroots movement as platforms to inform, excite, and organize political powers in grassroots. In a number of cases, there will be individuals involved in grassroots campaigns who do hold political power. It could be politicians who pick up on a certain campaigns through the media and believe in the issue strongly enough to add their support. In some cases, this could be like actions of a political party trying to gain favor from the public. However, in many cases, it will be often that the politician does actually support the cause and wishes to help the people involved in the campaign. Now, let us understand who are grassroots activists. Grassroots activists can be anyone from any walk of life who feel passionately about a cause. Activists can be a community that are opposed to a larger retailer moving into their town. They can be a group of individuals that are opposed to animals testing or who want to change a council's policy. Grassroots activism politics at its most fundamental level, people coming together to stand up and make a difference. This could mean protesting outside the gates of a factory where an employee has been unfairly dismissed, to leafleting a whole community on an issue that affects them. Now, let's understand how grassroots activism works. Once a grassroots campaign starts to pick up momentum, it can be very effective when it comes to making a change. A successful campaign can start off with one or two activists that can soon turn into hundreds and even thousands. If the media picks up on the campaign, then this can make a real difference to the cause. If the cause has significant support, it can effectively change government policies and laws. Recent protests have included marches against the war in Iraq to campaign to stop knife crimes. These have been protests started by a small number of people that grew to larger number of thought that the strengthen of feeling regarding the particular cause. Anyone who feels strongly about an issue can start their own grassroots campaign. The power of the internet has made a real difference to the way campaigns are now run. Thanks to social networking sites, it is now easier to recruit like-minded activists and organize protests and campaigns. This is grassroots activism at its most basic level, but it can make a difference and change the public attitude towards certain issues. Holding a political office is not always needed to make a difference to policies and issues. Many changes have been made in the world thanks to the results of grassroots activism. From civil rights activism to the campaign for nuclear disarmament, grassroots activism will always be a way for the public to make a difference to the world in which we live. I hope you understand the topic grassroots activism. For more videos, please like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.